Our lives are not defined by the challenges we face. Instead, they are defined by how we respond to those challenges. Just like that, neither Houston nor Harris County nor the surrounding counties nor the state of Texas will be defined by the challenge we faced in Hurricane Harvey. Instead, we are working every single day to ensure that our future is going to be defined by the way that we responded to that enormous challenge. One person who's done that very profoundly is the great mayor of Houston, Texas, Sylvester Turner.
Thank you. Thank you, Governor. Thank you, Governor. It's always good to see you in Houston, Harris County. When you come, you bring money. Please come again next week. But you're always welcome. And I do want to welcome Governor Abbott, for coming to Houston, Harris County for today's announcement and news conference. And thank you for all that you had to say and for all that you have done and working tirelessly and relentless on behalf of all of Texas. So thank you so very, very much. The governor's presence is a reminder of the cooperation between local governments and the state of Texas. I'm relieved to see Congress moving forward on funding for Hurricane Harvey recovery and future flood mitigation in our metropolitan areas. And I do too, like you, Governor, hope that there will be additional funding that will come to supplement that has already been pledged to the state of Texas. The funding emphasis on protection against the next deluge or storm surge from the Gulf has been a key part of our plea to the federal government, and that has been a collective plea. Whether we're talking about additional reservoirs, whether we're talking about the coastal spine, detention basins, you name it, the mitigation projects are so very, very important for our future. Merely funding a recovery would be funding for failure, because without flood mitigation projects that we've had to restart, the expensive recovery after the next storm will simply be futile. The administration now must move as quickly as possible to ensure these funds flow to local governments and where these dollars will have the most impact. And I know we're all gratified to hear that the rules between GLO and HUD are being worked out expeditiously so that those funds can flow to the respective local governments hopefully by the end of March. That's welcoming news to thousands of people in the affected area. Local governments look forward to working with our state leaders to ensure these federal dollars get to local communities to be used as efficiently and effectively as possible. We hope the dollars will get to us as quickly as possible so we can start building more resilient communities, repairing homes, are just some of the things that are so desperately needed. So again, let me thank you, Governor, for your efforts. Let me thank you for being out on the front line. It is important that we build stronger, more resilient communities. We are all connected. All of us that are here today, we are all connected. And it's not just about funding. The appointments, for example, of a couple of people from the Kingwood area to the San Jacinto River Authority, more dollars for dredging, whether it's in Lake Houston. All of these type of projects are so important to all of us. We're all connected. I too want to join you in thanking the entire congressional administration in D.C. for working on behalf of all of us and all Texans. But again, you're always welcome, especially when you bring bags. Always up and appreciate it. So thank you so very, very much.
Thank you.